is just before lunch on Monday, March 10th. The cleaning ladies are here helping out with helping us keep the house clean. It's a big house that we can't do it by ourselves. And we're fortunate enough to be able to have somebody come do it. Anyway, long story short, I got another carpet bag cut out because I have 2 more that I want to make. And no, at the moment I'm not selling them. I'd have to sell them for around $300 with all the work and materials that goes into them. And that's a lot of money. So anyway, there is a little shop in Columbia, California that has artisan goods, and they do have somebody that makes a similar style bag. It's not exactly the same. If I can find the link for y'all, I'll link it down below and share on social media. I'll see if I can do some Googling while I'm waiting for the ladies to finish their day. Anyway, it's gonna be a chill day. I have to video edit. If I get any sewing done, that'll be a bonus, but I need to video edit. I need to work on my sweater project and do today's daily drawing still, and laundry. I hate laundry, but it's gotta be done. All right, I'll be back. Today's daily drawing done. As I said earlier, I got another bag cut out. I got the videos edited. Now if my computer will behave so I can upload them, that would be nice. I probably need a new computer, but I don't want to spend the money right now. Yeah. All right. Anyway. Yeah. Okay. I'll be back. Hey guys, it's been a busy Monday. But, well, yeah. I had the house cleaners in. I got a bunch of chores done, including, well, if Mr. hadn't reminded me, I would have forgotten to make the bread. So that's working. Laundry's working. I even got some knitting done on my sweater. My computer finally decided to mind itself and let me edit video and upload it for this week. Anyway, we're gonna go for a walk now. It's a little brisk, but I have long sleeves on. I'll be fine. Mister's all bundled up. Anyway, we're gonna go get some steps in before it rains again and before dinner.
It's a chilly 50 degrees.
Well, we're supposed to get this massive rainstorm that even Leslie messaged me about because the news of it hit the Midwest. So, but I live in Oregon. We get a lot of rain. All right, I'll be back. Today is Tuesday. It's Tuesday afternoon. It's, I think, almost 4 o'clock. Babysitting day. I did get today's daily drawing done and a couple of chores before little Mister came over. Not a lot else, but that's okay. I'll get a few things done when he goes home, like some knitting. So we just stopped by the duck pond to have a look. And we got lucky. There's ducks. What am I doing?
You taking a video?
Yeah.
With me in it in the background?
Yeah.
Why?
'Cause you walked out of your office.
Oh, well, ooh, I walked out of my office. Wow.
It's Wednesday, March 11th? No, 12th?
Something like that.
12th. I think it's the 12th.
It's the 11th.
It's the 11th.
It's the 11th. Tomorrow's the 12th.
No, because I thought Friday was the 14th, and that's when you're going to the concert.
Oh yeah, it is say 12th. You're right. I watched this update. It says 12th.
I know what the date is instead of him.
Oh my God.
The world is like frozen or something.
It's frozen.
Anyway, Wednesday afternoon. I can't say morning because it's not morning. No babysitting, which means instead of running around and doing things I don't need to do, like thrifting, because I don't really need any more stuff. See, he agrees. I'm spending the day sewing. Yes, I'm making another bag. That's okay. I'll do some knitting later.
Well, you know, it keeps you off the streets, keeps you out of the bars and stuff, so.
I don't drink anymore.
Oh, yeah.
Anymore.
Or any less.
Or any less.
Just
Yeah.
kidding.
Ha.
Ha.
Anyway, So just a quiet day at home, and not mad about it, but I do have a lot of babysitting coming up again. Like I said before in a previous vlog, daughter's a realtor, son-in-law works for the same company as husband, so they're all super busy. So Omaha's free childcare. I'm not complaining, mind you. I love spending time with the grandson, and bonus points, he's fascinated by my drawing and yarn balls, so I don't know what to say about that. Anyway, all right.
Fascinating kid.
He is. All right. I'll be back in a minute. The latest of my carpet bags is finished. The second to last of my fabrics, my bags made with Joann's fabrics. I don't know how to feel about that. Sad, I guess. Anyway, it's pretty cute. This zipper looks crooked on a camera if I hold it the wrong way, but it's not really. It's just because the bag is empty. There's nothing in it. Anyway, I also made some pillows for our bed the other day. I was less than pleased with how I closed the pillows up because I was being lazy. So I covered them up. So that's all done. This is leftover blanket fabric from my blanket outfit, and I love it. It's so soft. And I have to do today's daily drawing yet. Haven't done that yet. I did find, and I'm charging up my headphones. I can't remember the last time I used them, but yeah. So I've gotten a lot done today, I think. Making one of those bags takes about 3 hours-ish. So that's if I don't make any mistakes. And I always make a mistake. I'll show you. Every single one of these bags has the same mistake. Well, I wouldn't call it a mistake. I haven't figured out how to not do it. Okay, on the inside of the bag, in this little spot, can you see that? It's always, yep, wrinkly, there's tucks. The outside looks fine. The inside's always messed up. And I'm not sure how to fix that. The patterns, the directions for the original pattern my bag is based off of, I need to review them and see if they talk about it because I don't remember. Oh, I was standing here going, I was going to say something else, but what was it? I remember. Okay. Hold on. Now, this is the style of handbag frame that I use. This is how it comes from Amazon. This is one I bought at Amazon. And this is the style of handbag frame I use in the carpet bags. Now, and this is exactly how it comes wrapped. This is one I found on Etsy. And it has the same, I'm pretty sure it's from the same factory, the same people in China. It's got the same, yeah, it's got the same little sticker on the side. It's the same handbag frame. Etsy's a little cheaper. So I will link both links down below if you guys are interested in making carpet bag frames, carpet bags, and I will link the original pattern down below. It is a much bigger pattern, and it's a bigger bag. Again, I shortened mine, narrowed it a little bit, and curved the top to create this shape to go with that carpet bag. But yeah, anyway. No, I'm not selling them, at least not at this point. They take way too much labor to make, to sell. These are just for me because I love bags, and I love having projects in a bag that when we are going on a road trip or leaving the house or just going to be gone like for the day or the weekend, I can look at the pile and go, okay, I want to work on that one, and just grab it and go. And yeah, I like that. I've been doing that more and more and more. And especially since I am so busy babysitting all the time, helping the kids out with the grandson, not that I'm complaining, mind you, it's easy for me to do that, and it's very convenient. So anyway, I'm going to go put these away and I guess do today's daily drawing and stuff. I'll be back. right, you guys, it is no, it's 11:16. It's almost lunchtime. But it's been kind of a hectic morning. We've got all the boulders moved from the pipe repair. No, they are no longer on top of the pipes because, yeah. Anyway, we are now headed out to go run some errands and grocery shop. It is Friday, yes, but Mr. has taken off work. He kind of had to because he has too much PTO. So we are going to go get all the errands done today.
Terrible problem to have.
A terrible problem. So we're going to go get the errands done today, and then family dinner night is tonight. It's at the kids' house, not at our house. I'm going to stay and babysit while they go off to see Heart.
Yes.
And so anyway, yeah. All right, I'll be back. Hey guys, I don't think I've gotten on here since this morning when we were headed out to go grocery shopping. We did indeed stop by Joann's for the last time for me. I did pick up literally 4 skeins of yarn. I needed a brown for a project, and I wasn't planning on it, but I picked up some variegated yarn, Big Twist, which you're not going to be able to get anymore, but yeah, anyway. Then we went to Craft Warehouse, which is another chain that we have of craft stores up here. It's not a big chain, and they are closing a couple of their stores, and so we went by the one that's closest to us. They're closing. If we want to go to Craft Warehouse, we have to drive a little bit farther away, but anyway, I got a few things, including some Knit Pro crochet hooks and another spare pair of interchangeable knitting needles, and a few other random things. We're actually going to be going back there on probably Sunday because my husband has a print in his office closet that he wants to frame and hang on the wall. I completely forgot he even had it. Neither of us could remember how big it was. Now we know, so we're going to go back and get a frame for that. They're 60% off, so went home, put everything away, and now I'm at the kids' house. This is not my living room. I'm here with Junior. He is sleeping. The kids and Bob are out at a concert. They're seeing Heart. If you don't know who they are, look it up. Dates me, I know. Anyway, somebody's got to babysit, so I'm here babysitting, listening to YouTube while he's sleeping, doing some knitting, and dog's not too happy that I'm over here, not on the couch, but oh well. Anyway, that's it for the minute. I'll be back. Hey guys, so it's been a crazy Saturday. I shouldn't say that. It's been a crazy couple of days. Anyway, hold on. That's better. It was all good, but we didn't get home and get to bed until after midnight, maybe like closer to 1 o'clock. All right, and I've spent the last couple of days when I wasn't doing chores and crossing things off my to-do list and all of that stuff, working on my sweater. So I've gotten this far. This is about halfway to where the bottom of the sweater is going to be. I did add some elastic thread to the inside of the ribbing around the neck to make it tighter because I wanted this one to be tighter, at least I think, but I did it in a way that if I don't like it when I'm finished, I can just easily take it out, but I don't think that's going to be the case. I might make a short sleeve. I'm not sure yet. Part of that's going to depend on how much green yarn I have of this particular color green, but we'll see. It is kind of a scrap sweater. It's turning out really cute, you guys. But yeah, so I've been just working on that and doing daily drawings and stuff, having fun with it. We have been to a few things recently, like the car show today, and I've collected bits and pieces and things, and I think I might go back to, it wasn't a scrapbook exactly, like a junk journal scrapbook
journal thing. I used to do these a while back, and I did them quite frequently. I stopped a couple of years ago, but I would take whatever events were going on, and any given month I would save little bits and pieces. I would collage them into a page or two. I would include some pictures. I'm always taking pictures with my phone. I'd print them out of my little printer, and then I'd do some journaling around it. And I have binders and binders of stuff like that. I might go back and do doing something like that. Let me know if you'd all be interested in seeing that. I also got a comment recently on a video I did way back in 2020, which is a while ago, inspired by the beauty YouTubers, because they do beauty news, especially. They do on the regular, on the yearly project called Project Pan, where they purposefully try to go through their stock of, say, eyeshadows and use up as much as they can in any given month. And I did do that for a while, and I got a comment on one of the videos from 2020, and although I have no idea where I'd get started, is that something that we should revisit? Let me know in the comments below. All right, so it is pretty late right now. We're gonna finish watching a movie, and I might do a little bit more knitting and then head to bed. It's been a great week. I got to spend a lot of time with Junior. That's never a struggle and never a bad thing. Next week, I might have extra time with him too, because Mommy is working, but we'll see. Son-in-law said he'll let me know. And yeah, it's all good, but that's for next week's vlog. So anyway, I'm going to try to be better about taking video, but I have to be honest with you. I have lately just been enjoying the moment with the family and the grandson and not breaking the camera out. And you know what? There's nothing wrong with that. I just want to encourage you all to be creative, to enjoy life, do what you can, even if it's only for 5 minutes. Do that. First thing I did this morning when I had my coffee after Mr. went to the gym, I came up here and did my daily drawing because it makes me happy. So you should do that too. All right, that's it for right now. If you'd like to support the free content here on YouTube, I do have a Patreon. Links for it and a bunch of other stuff are in the video description, so check it out. Don't forget to leave a question, comment, or concern down below. I do reply to all the comments as much as I can. And like, share, and subscribe. I knew I was forgetting something. It's getting late, can you tell? And that's it for right now. I love you all dearly. Don't forget to go out and have a great day. Have a great week. Do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. If I can find 5 minutes to be creative, so can you. I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.